the data can be a static data. It can already be on the client. So it's not necessary that you have to hit the server to get the data. So talk about the trade-offs. What are the benefits of having data on the client, right? If you for instance, if you are building like a friend list, Facebook search friend list, right? So what if you put all the friends on the client already and you don't get it from the server? So the data will be fast. Talk about the trade-offs. That okay, the pros are that we'll get instantly fast results because we don't have to hit the server, so there are no API delays. But the problem is that the data will be outdated. If somebody has had a new friend, so the data is stale if it is on the client. So and you have to do the filtering logic, all those things on the client. So these are some of the downsides of having the data on the client. And if we have the data on the server, then it's very suitable for the large data. You can only get the data how much you want. Like the match results only. You send the query and you only get the matched results from the server. It's relatively slower than the client, but the data is always updated because you are hitting the server. And the cons are slower than the client, and user will have to wait for the network response. So we can also do some of like a hybrid approach. We can keep some data like we did in the cache. We can keep some data on the server, some data on the client for the instantly when user searches. So we can have the instant results. Then we can also, after that, we can do the server fetching. So these are the options which you can give to the interviewer. Okay, this is the data can be on server, it can be on the client, but these are the trade-offs. We can do a hybrid approach, maybe pass some of the static data before, and then when user clicks on load more, then we get the data from server. So you can talk about that.